Hello, I'm Ben Rodgers.
My name is Keven Rall.
And I'm Hagan Cook, and this is our senior design project for Komatsu Mining. Komatsu Mining and Joy Global is seeking a universal voice and tone alarm that will standardize the alarm system in various mining machines. The goal of this project was to provide Komatsu with a customized voice and tone alarm that will meet all of their requirements. Some of their requirements consisted of having USB-C, CAN, and Ethernet interfaces, as well as having an SD card capable of storing up to 1,000 audio files on it. From there, the audio files will be pulled from the SD card and transmitted over 3 speakers simultaneously. To accommodate the requirements, we decided to create our own printed circuit board that will be controlled by a PIC32.
This is our custom PCB design for Komatsu Mining, and it is controlled by a PIC32 microcontroller. Starting at the bottom, we have our 3 audio amplifier circuits, which the input signal is generated by a digital to analog converter and then is fed to a potentiometer to change the volume. Then, going into this bottom left corner, we have our Ethernet and USB communication. And then over here on our general input and output pins, we have our CAN communication. Then moving up into this top left corner, we have our power indicator and then our 3 communication indicators. Moving to the right, we have our SD card holder. And then to the right of that, we have our 5 voltage regulator circuits for power and our 4 binary inputs.
Here's our demonstration for the voice and tone alarm that we made for Komatsu Mining. So this is our PIC32 board with our 3 audio amplifier circuits. This also has a volume control potentiometer. Unfortunately, we just got this board recently and we haven't quite figured out the PIC32 yet. So we have a PIC18 that we used to demo earlier in the semester. On this small prototype board, we have an SD card and a DAC. We have a basic sine table on the SD card right now that is being read to the microcontroller so we can generate a couple tones. And since we're using a PIC18, we have a couple switches here that would normally be the binary inputs coming in on the right side of the PIC32 board. And we also have a button just so tones aren't playing constantly while we're trying to demo. So to play a couple tones. That's just 4 of the possible tones. It can do up to 16 different tones. And as mentioned earlier, we have a volume control potentiometer on here.